there, welcome. Nice to have you. Click on the link here. We love spending time with ice cream people. If you're new to the channel, have a look around, see what's going on here. I think we've hit 200 odd videos. We're all about helping people in the ice cream industry. So if you are new to the business, you're looking to get into the business, or you're a seasoned professional, this is the channel for you. And we have a great bunch of sponsors that help us provide content to you. The sponsor for this video is the Ice Cream Club. Rich Draper, Heather Draper, the whole crew down there in Boynton Beach are making tubs of ice cream that you can actually sell in your store. So if you're not culinary driven and you think, well, I'd just like to have a place for the community that I'd like to sell my ice cream, sell someone else's ice cream and either brand it Ice Cream Club, you can brand it your own. Talk to Rich or Heather down there at the Ice Cream Club. The link is down below. And when you're chit-chatting with them, you tell them that I said hello. So a bit of a story time on this video. I was recently down in Birmingham, Alabama, down in Pell City. And if you're ever driving through Pell City, you stop in to see Sweet Sue's Ice Cream in Pell City. They're just opening up. Went down to help them out. Richard and Jenny, got a great little place there. Anyway, I'm flying back from Birmingham, and I guess there's weather coming through, and basically all the flights have been delayed. And so I'm looking around for somewhere to eat. Everywhere's shut down. All of the big chains, all of the grocery store, the little convenience stores are all closed down, except for this one chicken place. And there was a line literally 50 people long. So I joined this line, and I tell you, this family was hustling this chicken place. By the time I get to the line, I mean, there's people hustling in the kitchen. They're bringing that stuff out. It's way past when they could have closed or probably should have closed. And yet they saw people lining up, that true entrepreneurial spirit. They basically just kept them working. They're calling through the window, more chicken, more potatoes, more collard greens, more black-eyed peas, more tenders. It was such a treat to be able to see entrepreneurs there basically hustling to take care. When other businesses closed, they saw their opportunity. They started banging out this chicken and the sides, and it was fantastic. And even when I got on my plane, close to 11:30, the line was still going. They were still serving. Now, you've really got to seize these moments when opportunity arises. I remember one time back in Australia, we had a frozen custard store in Albany Creek. Usually Fridays and Saturday nights we'd close about 11 o'clock. And then I didn't realize that there was, I guess, an X Games event close by. And right on 11 o'clock when we were about to close, literally hundreds of people started rolling through. Now, we could have closed, tied at the end of the day, but I said to the crew here, hey, you guys want to stay on? I'm game. And they're like, yeah, Mr. C, let's do it. So we open up the doors. They start rolling in. There's 30, 40, 50 people deep. We're rolling through them. About 1:30, some of the kids get a bit tired. I'm tired, Mr. C. Can I go home? Yes, you can go home. Who's here with me? One other guy. Yeah, I'll stay with you, Mr. C. Banging out the orders, scooping the custard. And it got to the point where he ended up going home at about 2, and I think the last customer we served at 2:30. And look, it doesn't happen all the time, and you do need to get a handle on when your busy and slow times are. But every now and again, you're going to get these opportunities where you can capitalize on an event that a whole lot of other people will just close down, close up the door, but true entrepreneurs will continue to work that. Let me tell you, they did very well probably, this chicken place. But the goodwill that was actually established with everybody saying, thanks everybody. Every customer went through there basically said, thanks for staying open, really appreciate it. High fives going on, middle of the pandemic. No one cares. The spirit of true chicken loving and entrepreneurialism was alive and well in the Birmingham airport. That's my little soliloquy here, is that celebrate entrepreneurialism. You've got an opportunity, whack on another couple of $100, maybe $400 or $500 worth of sales, take it by the horns. It doesn't always come. Thank you again to Rich and Heather Draper. They're probably thinking, well, this wasn't really much about ice cream. Sure it was. It was about the entrepreneurial spirit, and take it by the horns. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.